Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I am going to talk about some really amazing lipsticks that I found that are going to be good during this summer season. So let's get into the video now. Also, if you are someone who's new to my channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it here. I hope you like the vibe. I hope you like the content. Anyway, let's move into the video now. So the main problem that I face is that I have dry lips, and having dry lips and still wanting a transfer proof lipstick is the hardest thing, I feel like, because a lot of the lipstick, you would know if you have dry lips, it settles into your lines, or what happens is that it feels so much drying on your lips, and I hate that feeling so much. So I just came across these lipsticks. These are from Plum. These are the Plum new Matte in Heaven liquid lipsticks, and they have been my absolute favorite when I want my lipstick to stay out for hours and hours without actually drying out my lips. These are smudge proof, pigmented, and yet feel very comfortable to wear. So I will be talking about these lipsticks, all these lipsticks in detail, show you guys the swatches, the packaging and everything. So let's just move in with the packaging first. So just look at the packaging. These are so cute. They come in a variety of shades as well, but let's just look at the doe foot applicator. This is extremely easy to apply, and not only that, the texture of these are very on the liquid and thin side. So when it sets down, it feels very comfortable as well. So it's not only long lasting, it's extremely comfortable and non-drying on the lips. So the best thing I like about these liquid lipsticks is that they are extremely travel friendly, and these can fit right into your purse. They are not bulky at all, and they are very easy to travel with. Now let's talk about the different shades they have, application, and how it feels on my skin, and a whole review. So let's first talk about the consistency of this. As I already said, these are on the very thin side, but they feel extremely non-drying on the lips. They do take a couple of minutes to dry down, but once it sets, and it doesn't budge at all. I'll show you guys some test at the end of the video so that you can see how this look like on my lips. But yes, I do have to tell you guys that these are very comfortable to wear, and you do not have to go in with the extra layer of lip balm or anything when you're applying these lipsticks, because it's non-drying. Now they come in a variety of shades. They come in 10 different shades. They have browns, they have nudes, they have peach toned lipsticks, they have plums, mauves, pinks and reds as well. So as you can see, each of the shade are very different from one another, but they suit my skin tone so well. So I do think that the Plum did do a great job with the shades, because they would suit a lot and a variety of different Indian skin tones. And my favorite shade obviously have to be the brown shade. Today I am actually wearing a mixture of two lipsticks. Now when it comes to liquid lipsticks, I don't generally apply two shades at once, because I feel like they are extremely drying, and applying just two shades on top of one another like looks patchy at times. But with this lipsticks, you can mix and match two different shades, and yeah, I have mixed a brown shade and a peach shade today and created this amazing lipstick. I just feel like I am going to use this combination during this summer season a lot. And my favorite colorful shade have to be the shade Pink Martini, because this shade is extremely cute and it's just a very nice shade to wear during the summer season. So these are the two lip shades that I have on right now. So this is the Cinnamon Pop and this is the Cocoa Mocha shade. These two are definitely my favorite shades, because this is like almost like a peachy tone shade, which is going to suit a lot of fair skin tones, and this is a brown shade, which I really love brown shades. So both of these are giving me this amazing nude lipstick, which is a little bit peachy, a little bit brown. So yeah, I definitely love this combination a lot. Now let's move into some test and see how this liquid lipstick would wear. So we'll see the transfer proof with this one. This is a white mug, as you can see, so I'm just going to drink a little bit of water. As you can see, there is no stain. Drinking the water again, no stain at all. So I'm going to do the kiss thing. As you can see, there is no transfer. See, no transfer at all. So let's do a little bit of a mask test right now. So this doesn't smudge at all. Like as you can see, there is no smudge, and after wearing the mask also it doesn't smudge, so it is mask proof as well. Just look at how my lips look like up close. As you can see, It's non-sticky at all. Like, it's not sticking at all. So it's extremely not only comfortable to wear, but it's non-sticky, it's transfer proof, and it is going to stay on for a really long time. Another thing I do really love about this lipstick is the longevity of it. So whenever I know that I am going out for a dinner or a lunch, I always am going to wear these lipsticks because these feel super comfortable. And even if you have, after you take a big heavy meal, like oily foods even, this is going to stay, and not in an uncomfortable way, by the way, not in a way where it's going to settle or come away, in kind of a patchy way. Sometimes it happens with liquid lipsticks, after you have a lunch or dinner, it comes in a very patchy way, which I personally really hate. But with this one, it just stays on. So yeah, I absolutely do love this lipstick. You guys can check the collection out on Plum's website, and you can visit the site plumgoodness.com and check out this lipstick. You can get them on 15% off if you use my code Arnakshi15. It is an affiliate code, which means that I earn a little tiny commission whenever you shop from my code. So yeah, you can go ahead and check them out. They're available on Nykaa as well. I'll provide all the links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which one was your favorite shades, because I have a hard time choosing mine. So you guys can go ahead and comment which one is your favorite shade. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.